And now we'll demonstrate the normal operation of the bucket truck. The truck with the aerial device pulls up to the job site. The operator sets the parking brake and engages the PTO. The operator goes to the rear of the truck and starts to operate, lowering the outriggers. The 4 red lights on the back of the truck indicate that the 4 outriggers are stowed. As each outrigger is lowered and gets to the point where the switch is acceptable for the outrigger, the red light goes off and the green light goes on. Then the tower is able to be operated. It is raised out of the saddle, and the operator can now get the bucket down to a ground mount position to get into the bucket. When the job is done, the boom's folded back into the saddle. The outriggers are now raised back to the travel position, and the PTO is disengaged. Now the unit's ready to move to the next job site. Now we'll demonstrate what happens when the truck is set on uneven ground conditions. The operator sets the parking brake and engages the PTO. He gets out and starts to lower the outriggers. When all 4 outriggers would reach their correct position, all 4 green lights would be on. But since the ground is uneven, one of the outriggers is down on the ground, but it's still a red light. This does not allow the system ready light to come on. Tower is not able to be elevated out of the saddle. The system override button is pushed, and the green light for system ready comes on. Now the tower can be operated, and the boom can come out of the saddle and raised to the position where the operator can get in the bucket. When the job is done, the unit is folded back into the saddle. The outriggers are raised, and the PTO is disengaged after it's ready for road travel. At this point, all the lights go off. The next demonstration shows that the PTO is engaged again, and the lights are all red lights, green light for PTO on, but the system ready light is not on, indicating that the bypass is not active at this time.